So hello everyone, if you use Linux but don't know how to edit file on a terminal, so you are missing a big skill. So today I will teach you VI and Vim editor. It is most powerful tool in a Linux. So first, what is VI editor? What is VI editor? VI is a basic text editor. VI is a basic text editor that work inside a terminal. Let's take examples, some examples. Example first is, it is very basic. It is very basic. Very basic. Second, it's used in almost every Linux system. Every Linux system. Third is, it's mainly used for quick editing. It mainly used for quick editing. Quick editing. What is VI editor? VI is a basic text editor that works inside a terminal. Some example, it is very basic. It's used in almost every Linux system. It's mainly used for quick editing. Then next is, what is Vim editor? What is Vim editor? Vim editor. Vim stands for VI improved. Vim editor stand for VI improved. It is advanced version of VI editor. Like some example, and Vim editor we can see many features. Second one is better editing experience. Vim editor give us better editing experience. And third one is, it's mainly used by programmers. Then next, difference between VI and Vim editor. One side again, VI editor. Second side, Vim editor. So first, VI is the basic editor. Vim is advanced editor. Then फीचर्स की बात करें तो इन विम वी कैन सी लिमिटेड फीचर limited feature. But Vim editor we can see many features. Many feature. Then next colors की बात करें तो colors no. In Vim editor we can see many colors. Yes. Then next use for VI is used for simple editing. But Vim is used for coding and advanced editing. So this is different between VI and Vim editor. Then next is some important questions like like how to check VM is install Vim editor is installed or not. For which command we use? How to check Vim installed or not. So the basic command is simple command. vim double hyphen then version. If you see any version, so Vim is installed, but if you don't see any version, so Vim is not installed. Then how to move the cursor quickly in Vim editor. So there are 4 keys to move cursor. First is H, second is L, third is K, and fourth and last one is J. Sorry. Third one is J and fourth last one is K. So with the help of H we can go to left side, left. With the help of L, right side. With the help of J, go down side. Or with the help of K, go to up side. Then or it is faster than arrow key. I type here. It is more faster than arrow key. Then next and last question is, what is double G and capital G? What is difference between double G and capital G? So what is double G and capital G? It's very simple. First double G and here capital G. Double G means if you search any file and you want to go top of the file, that time you use double G. If you want to go upside top of the file, that time we use double G. When we use G, capital G, if we want to go bottom of the file, that time we use capital G. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn Linux step by step, so like and subscribe the channel. In next video I will explain you what is nano editor.